Okay, Lily and I are going to do a little experiment this year with our tomatoes. Aside from my regular garden, I have this bunch of potted tomatoes. So we always talk about pruning suckers, so we get a single vine. Well, I kind of got that going on here, but it's a little bit out of control. We'll take this one in the middle here, for example. Alright, so pruning single vine, get some cherries coming up here. Alright, so now what do? I topped it off because I don't want it to go any higher. So my experiment is going to be that I will continue pruning the suckers, except I'm going to find one way down here somewhere down near the bottom, the lowest one that I can still find. There's one coming out, and maybe I'll prune back some of the larger leaves so that the sucker down there can actually get some light. And hopefully the idea is going to be that when all these tomatoes produce, my sucker will starting a new vine and we'll have the whole process happen all over again. I'm going to try this with all of these tomatoes up here in the potted area. I'm going to do a different method out in the regular garden. Out there I have them tied up to strings from a trellis, and I'm just going to keep multiple vines alive for the whole season. So in other words, every plant will have at least 2 or 3 vines growing out of it. Alright, I will update later in the season with the success or failure of my plan here.